Welcome to math lesson number 4. We're doing ballpark estimates, which we haven't done in a little while, so let's review. Before we ever do the actual math, we're going to round our numbers. Remember, we're looking at the ones column only, and if it ends with a 5, we're going to round up to the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And if it ends with a 4, we're going to round down to the 10 before. So examples, 26. 6 is more than 5, so we're going to round to 30, not 20. Okay, 21, we're going to round either to 30 or to 20. Well, it's less than 4, so we're going to round to 20. All right, so let's look at number 1. Our ballpark estimate of 45 plus 68. So 45, 5 goes up, so we're going to round it to 50. And 68, 8 goes up, so we're going to round it to 70. And then we've done this math before. 5 plus 7 is 12. And then however many zeros we have here is how many zeros on our answer. So it's 120. Then you're going to come over and do the math. $113. That's close to 120. So you go ahead and do the rest of the ballpark estimates. Okay? Some are addition and some are subtraction. Now when you turn the paper over to 220, you'll see number 1, I've crossed it off. I'm not really sure what you were supposed to do there. It says write 5 names for 1/2, and we know that when we write names, we write ways to make that number. And ways to make 1/2, I mean, you could draw a picture and color half. I guess you could draw a picture this way and color half, but I wasn't really sure how to make 5 different ones. If it was a circle and you color half. So you can draw something in there if you want, or you can skip it. All right, number 2, write if the number is odd or even. Just like ballpark estimates, you're only looking at the ones place. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even. So 126, 6 is even, so 126 is even. 1,200,056 is also even because it ends with a 6. Number 3, 17 pieces of gum are shared equally. Each child gets 3 pieces. There will be pieces left over. So how many children get the gum and how many pieces are left over? And to do that, I would get a piece of paper or a marker board or something and draw 17 pieces of gum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then it says everyone gets 3. So I would start putting them into groups of 3. Keep going. And then look, there aren't enough for another child to get 3. So there are pieces left over. And how many children got 3 pieces of gum? Number 4, Rosita had 39 cents and found 57 more cents. How much does she have now? Estimate your answer and then use partial sums to solve. So partial sums is just their way of saying estimate first. So your estimate, she has 57 cents, so that's going to become 60. And she found 57 more, that's going to become 60. Oh, I made a mistake. She had 39, that's going to become 40. And then she found 57, which is 60. So she has $1 estimated. You're going to write that estimate, but then you have to do the math and tell me how much did she actually have. Number 5 is about temperature. It's a story problem. You should be able to do that. And number 6, you can write me a number with numbers in those place values.